Oya. Hey. Hata karibu hapa. Kujeni. To encourage young leaders to take up elective positions, not just here in Meru, but the rest of the country. Kwa hivyo sasa hii ni maneno ambayo tunapanga because Bas Party and the future of this country belongs to the young people. Wale wengine wamesonga, wamefanya yale wamefanya, na kuna wale tunaona ni kama wamelemewa kidogo. Sasa tunawasukuma. Wao wakitoka sisi ndo tunaingia pale, because young people have proved even to do better than the generation ahead of us, because we are the people with fresh ideas, we are the people with energy, we are the people with passion.
We want the National Assembly there to be vibrant. We want more youthful MCAs at the County Assembly of Meru. And I'm very proud to say that MCAs from Bas are actually doing very well, and we thank them. So we want more youthful MCAs at the county level. We want youthful MPs. We want even a senator who is youthful.